In this video, you will learn how to install the T-adapter to the cold water inlet pipe. With the water already turned off, use a wrench to help disconnect the cold water hose pipe. Then, thread the T-adapter on the 3/8 cold water shutoff valve. Hand tight will suffice. Then, connect the hose pipe to the other end of the T-adapter using a wrench to tighten. Using the silicone grease provided, lubricate the end of the elbow stem and push into the T-adapter. Then snap the blue clip into position. Then lubricate the end of the white tubing, push it into the quick connect elbow fitting, followed by the blue clip to lock it into place.
Visit us at www.CanaturewG.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.